bad. My laces came undone. I hate when that happens. I was still tying up my... tying up my pads. Oh. Wow, what's going on? Rescue with the steel. Let's go, boys. 3-on-1. Fucking hate rescue, man. Stupid retard. Scores of accuracy today. I think got 4 shots. 3 goals. Behind you, Winston. Ooh. Look at that strength. One hand. Whoa. Stand up fully. You sit on the ice. Have a drink. Zoom up. Ooh. Off the goalie, off the post. Hey, let's see what we got here. So, ooh, nice poke by Ronnie. Ronnie leading the corner, sets it up. All-star. Retrieving the puck. Plays keep away. Ooh, you can't clear it, man. You can't clear it. You know why? Because you need Furman on your team. Oh, crap. Oh, it's just risky. Here you go. Look at that zoom action right there. Doesn't get any better than that. I may as well go to the blue line. Oh, Eddie with the hold. All-Star wraps it around. So predictable. Here it comes. Pressure it in. Brian puts it back. Works on the other side. It's going to center it. See? You get the puck back again. Oh. Now I got to skate back. Now I got to skate back. There we go. Ronnie sets it in. Ronnie still has the puck. Still has the puck. Ooh. Just not Ronnie's day. Look at that. Nice possession puck. Go, Paulie. Go, Ronnie. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Look at that tight room. He still gets it. Ooh. Can't get... Oh. You get it back. I think it's like 5 minutes in the zone. I know I haven't touched the puck yet. Oh. Eddie with the chop. Well, he gets the chop. Centers it. Let's set it up again, boys. It ain't ready. The socks don't fall off. Oh. It's like 5 minutes in there. Go, Ronnie! Go, Ronnie! Oh. Is Yuching on the ice? Probably not. Here it comes. We're gonna break the zone. Play the angles. Oh, don't wear green laces. Because you're just going to skate over the puck. Ooh. Don't wear yellow laces. Like Furman. Okay, one second. We got. Oh, nice. Nice. Thanks, man. I didn't even mean to save that one. That should have went in. What's going on? You can tell if they're going to attack or if they're going to break our blue line by the quality of players that we have. Right? Like number 5 can obviously clear the puck. So, anyway, Matt, Young Edmonton, you know how to play. I'm gonna drink. Plus we have like 5 forwards on the ice. Oh, that's it. Each thing is on. Yeah, stay in net. Stay in net. Cover the short side. Now on the attack. You gotta press hard. Here we go. Son of a gun. Off the equipment and then are you kidding me? Stupid. What the heck was that? What was going on? I said I'm changing pucks, man. That was retarded. Everyone's scoring. Here we go. That's it. Go, Ronnie. Next, was that 11 goals? Next goal goes in on changing pucks. That's ridiculous. What a soft goal. Stupid. Thumb. Shot. Go, Wayne. And 10. You know you got it. Oh, Gretzky with the giveaway. Can't skate out though. Ooh, run. Bad pass. Gotta pass it on their stick, not on their skate. You have to memorize who's got what side stick, how they like it. That's how you get chemistry. Gretzky, man, he's dominating the game, man. Eddie, circle again. One more time, Eddie. Circle one more time. Matt puts the shoulder on Eddie. Buching still on the ice? Yeah. Let's go, team. Ooh, it was a nice soft one-timer by Shine on yours, here you go. Nice push up. Gonna set it up. Gonna set it up. Gonna set it up. Okay. $10.24. Go, Ronnie. Man, I can't believe all those goals scored is ridiculous, man. Went off my stick or whatever, went in. It's so stupid. Who cares? I hate hockey, man. Hockey's the worst sport of all. Oh, did that go in? That did not go in. Did that go in? Oh, I think that went in. Oh! Oh! That was dumb.
I was picking tape off the ice for everybody.
How did he make that pass? I don't understand. Stupid, dumb Allen. Who cares, man? Dumb. Oops. Nice. I think he's gonna kick this off early. I could go home early. Rub him, rub him, rub him. Rub him. All the way. Oh. There you go. Put your knee in front. Oh. That's the way to stop him. Oh. There you go. Touch the corner! Oh, no goal. Good to see. Go, go, go! Oh, nice push. It's checking time, man. Hey, no! Hey, no, this is our last ice. We be checking. Hitting. Hit the guy. Hit that goal. Oh. Set up, set up, set up, set up. Hit him, man, it's your own brother-in-law. Hit him. Hit him, hit him, hit him, hit him, hit him. Give him an elbow. Let's go, 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 let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. I didn't mean to say that one. I thought that was going in. Oh, Lucky Charms got his stick down.